Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy crab drawing. Let's start by creating the main body shape. Draw a wide, flattened oval, almost like a stretched circle, for the crab's shell. Then, place two smaller, round ovals on top of the body for the eyes, giving them a slight upward tilt. Next, sketch two short, curved lines on each side of the body. These will be the starting points for our crab's legs. Now, let's give our crab some legs and impressive claws. Each crab typically has 10 legs, so we will draw 4 pairs on each side, plus the 2 large claws at the front. Make sure the front 2 legs are noticeably thicker and longer, forming the base for the claws. For the claws, draw a distinct pincer shape at the end, ready to grab. To bring our crab to life, let's add some details to its shell. Crabs often have interesting textures. You can draw a series of small, curved lines around the outer edge of the shell to give it a slightly rough appearance. Then, add a few tiny dots or very small circles randomly across the shell's surface to suggest a bumpy texture. Don't forget to refine the eyes with a darker outline and a small, dark pupil. We're almost done. Now it's time for the final touches. Carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed, making your drawing crisp and clean. To give your crab a 3-dimensional look, use light shading underneath its body and along the lower edges of its legs. Finally, draw a subtle cast shadow directly beneath the crab to make it appear grounded on your drawing surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.